Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you what I'm going to be having for dessert this week, okay? First of all, let me say welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true, okay? My name is Opal May and this is what I'm doing today. Hey girl, hey. So as I get ready for work, I'm gonna make a dessert, put it in this fancy bowl, and then I'll transfer it to a bowl I can take to work. So we have some, let's show you guys. Hopefully your day is going well. You know, I'm just trying to continue to eat healthy. I think I told you guys, you know, 70%, I would say 70 to 80% of the time I eat healthy, but that 20% when I don't, it's not good. But it is what it is, right? So, all right, so it's early in the morning. Let's go ahead and get this dessert made. It's just gonna be berries and yogurt with a little twist. You may have seen it before, I don't know, but this is what I'm gonna be doing. And I don't have any chia seeds because I thought I picked some up from the store, but I guess I didn't because I did want to put chias on top, okay? All right, so I'll probably put just like a little bit of flax seeds maybe. All right, you can go without the flax seeds, you can go without the nuts, all right? So let's show you guys. All right, so I just have some blueberries, strawberries. And let's get some spoons, and we have some caramelized pecans. All right, we also have some maple syrup. Yesterday I just wanted to try this. This is the Greek yogurt. This one's lactose free, so I just wanted to try it. Let's cut up our strawberries. So we're just gonna cut them nice in slices because we do want it to look pretty, right? This one, that one's a little brown. We don't want that one. And I just bought these. So let's take our yogurt. So it's just 3/4 of a cup. Get all my calories in that I need. All right. So we're just gonna do like that. All right. We're gonna take our strawberries, kind of just line them up. And this is what I'm eating this week for dessert. Put some more strawberries. Make it look pretty. All right. So far, this is what we have. Yogurt, strawberry. On top of our yogurt, we're gonna pour some maple syrup, okay? Using a spoon because I don't wanna over pour, and you can if you use this big thing. So we're just going to drizzle our syrup. That way it gives you just a little added sweetener, that's all. Okay. We also have our blueberries, which look amazing. Okay. So really, this is my dessert. And I'm really getting into berries lately. I don't know why, but I'm really getting into berries. Okay. We're also going to take a little bit of cinnamon. Okay. Sprinkle it over everything. All right. Now I'm gonna put flax in here. This is totally optional. So we're just gonna put a little bit over it. Not too much. Our caramelized pecans. Gonna just kind of go around the bowl just a little bit. Not too much because these are sweet and we already have enough sweet. Okay, so this is what we have, and I'll get another photo of it. Okay guys, and this is what the dessert looks like. So you have your pecans, your blueberries, your strawberries. Remember the yogurt, which is lactose free, that I topped with a little bit of maple syrup, and also I sprinkled cinnamon over this. Hopefully you all can see. It's like the lighting in my kitchen is not so good. Let's try it this way. Give you guys a little better look, I guess. Yeah, so it looks pretty good, and I just can't wait to eat it. But this is my dessert.